Hey guys, so for today's video, we're going to go over statistics, the very basics of statistics. So today, we're going to go over mean, mode, median, and range. So, let's imagine we have a question where we have the following data set. 7, 9, 3, 11, 5, and 7. We're going to ask us to find the mean, mode, median, and range of all of these, of this data set. So, how will we do that? Let's go over it real quickly. So, for mean, what does mean mean? Mean means the average of a data set. So for example, the way you would do this is you find the average. Specifically, you have all the numbers in your data set right here, and then divide it by the number of numbers you have in your mean. So let me work it out and I'll explain it better. So, let's start with adding the numbers together. So 7 plus, I got that a little bit larger for you all, 7 plus 9 plus 3 plus 11 plus 5 plus 7 again. Okay, so we're going to add all these numbers together and then divide them in fraction form by the number of numbers that there are. So here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 individual data points. So let's use those. So this would be 6 down here. Okay. Going off from there, let's start first by adding all the data points together. So 7 plus 9 is 16, plus 3 is 19, plus 11 is 30, plus 5 is 35, plus 7 is 42. So we have 42 over 6. Now, 42 divided by 6, you can put this in your calculators, is equal to 7. So our mean here is equal to 7. Simple enough. Okay, now let's move on to median. Median describes the middle number of a data set. So the average of a data set and its middle number may not be the same, so we'll calculate it differently. So for median, what we do, first we have to order all our numbers into order from least to greatest. So for example, our least data point up there is 3, so we start with 3, then we go to 5, then we have 7, then 7 again, then we have 9, and then 11. Okay, so what I like to do for this is simply to find the middle number, mark out both sides until you get one or two numbers remaining. So I'll show you what I mean by that. Mark out the least, then the greatest. Then the least, then the greatest. And once you get the 2 or 1, you stop. So here we have 7 and 7. So what happens if we have two numbers in the middle? Well, it's fairly simple. We find the average of those two numbers. Here, we just have 7 plus 7 divided by 2, similar to the mean formula we just did. So that'll give us 14 over 2, which is equal to 7. Now the mean and the median aren't always the same. It's just that in this case that they are. However, you could have means which are much greater than their medians and medians which are much greater than their means. It all depends on the data set you're working with. Okay, let's move on to mode. So mode describes the most common number. It's the number that appears the most number of times. So again, what we have to do, well, for this one, we can count how many times a number appears. So, let's start with the first number, 7. Let me get a new marker because this one's running out of ink. 7. How many times does 7 appear in this data set? Well, it appears once, twice. So 7 appears 2 times. Okay, go to the next one, 9. 9 appears 1 time. 3 appears 1 time as well, as does 11 and 5. So the mode is whichever number appears the most times. So all these numbers appear once instead of 7, which appears twice. And so our mode is also equal to 7. Okay, and the simplest of these is range. Our range is simply our highest number minus our lowest number. So, we know our highest number is 11 minus our smallest number, which is 3. So 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. And so our range here is equal to 8. And that's a good overview of basic statistics. Finish the worksheet and email me if you have any questions.